Alright gang, welcome back to Coastal Auto Reaction, the car guys. Now, Big Easy here with you. We decided to give you a peek at this one. Now once I'm better, we plan to revive this car. What you're looking at here, and if you saw that would have been Monday's daily, you would have saw sneak peeks at this car. So, what we're looking at here is a 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. And what makes it a Crown Victoria? Well, here, pop the hood. Let's show them the engine.
Way good.
So,
there we go.
And I know this one, it's had a 12-volt conversion. Obviously a Holly carb, later model Holly carb put on it. I think it's a 272 Y block. I have to ask Mortsky. He seems to be into those Y blocks. So, it has not been driven in a long time. From what I can tell, the battery is from 2018, so we're good to go there. It's an Optima red top. I don't know the last time it was cranked, so we're going to take all the normal precautions. Check the oil, check everything, check the fuel. And there's the power brake booster.
Yeah, this thing came with what? Power brake, power windows,
power locks.
Seat,
yeah, power
lock.
seat.
Yeah.
Power locks, power windows, all the options. What else? Oh, the grille guards, like the bumper guards.
Yep.
Front and back. I'll let you.
Here, I'll take them inside.
Yeah. Oh, show them the non-plexiglass roof. So the car was ordered by a Ford executive on purpose without the roof, because they caused the cars to bake inside.
Is that why?
Yeah. The plexiglass roof made it crazy hot in the car.
Didn't they do that in '99 with the Skyliners?
Yeah, well, this would be called a Skyliner back in the day. This is a 1955 Ford. I guess if they had the plexiglass, if you're a Ford guy, make a comment below, gang. Let us know. We're not Ford guys. What did you say, 99?
I thought I read something about 1999 Skyliners came with the or had the option also of the.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. Like a Ford Skyliner?
Yeah.
Beats me, man. Has anybody else ever heard of that? Leave a comment.
Leave a comment, yeah.
Are we on drugs or? Yeah, see, there's the odd wire down under here. It's gonna take a little bit of work. We take our time getting her going, hey, Bobo?
Yeah, we'll have to wait till the weather smartens up and then
but I wanted to
go
show
through
everybody.
it. This is a nice car, though.
Yeah, it's obviously been restored in the past. This is what cars end up. I'm glad we caught it. It hasn't been left to sit, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
The dust on it, though.
They only made, what, like 36,000?
Yeah, not very many, and probably not in this color combo and stuff either. I mean, we got the red and white leather interior.
With the black and chrome, I just love it.
And what makes it a Crown, show them the strip that goes right over the roof there.
Oh, yes. I don't think I did that.
The chrome band that goes over the roof.
Because it was only the front they did the plexiglass if you went that with that option, right?
Yeah, it was like that green.
Okay. Gotcha. See, I'm learning.
Getting there.
It's funny to know.
It's good, man.
This is a nice car.
It is. We're not going to get into it, but we have a special connection with this car, and it'll be brought back up, gang, to 110%, polished, paint corrected, everything. And it's actually going to end up for sale, probably on Bring a Trailer or something like that, because the car is actually very nice. It's got a set of Coker wide whites on it. There's no rot or rust or anywhere to speak of on the entire car. Did you show them the Continental kit on the back?
Yeah, I showed them the back.
Man, what a car. So, I'm guessing, guys, leave a comment below. This is a Y block, I know that. But is it a 272, 292? This here is the brake booster. So it's got a single pot master that then runs to the booster which then gives it power brakes. And it also has a Ford air-cooled transmission. It's not cooled with tranny fluid, it's air-cooled. Now when we do the full revival, we can give you a better look of it underneath because it'll be top to bottom. Take them down this side, front, slide them down and then back for me there, Bobo, so they can get a look at it. The car is pretty much immaculate. It's just covered in dirt.
Love the white walls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they are cokers.
Ouch.
Yeah, get a shot of the emblem on the door there.
Oh yeah, I'm doing my usual.
Yeah, just be careful.
Bubble
You don't have
wise.
keys in your pocket or nothing, do you?
No, I've hit everything so I don't scratch the car and get yelled at and get beat up and.
Hey, I had to talk him into bringing us over here to look at it.
I know. I was enjoying my day off. I was busy shoveling for the last 2 days.
Yeah.
Love this car.
Yeah, and the owner that previously owned it has passed on, but knew what he had because there's lead additive here, all kinds of stuff.
Go in the passenger side. It's unlocked.
There you go,
Nice.
take a peek, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's leather, not vinyl.
That's a beautiful interior.
Yeah. Show them the Speedo, the see-through Speedo.
Oh, I don't know if
Well,
I
you
did
come
or
around,
not. I'm
you
gonna
see
come
it
around the
from
back and do the other side.
Yeah, come around here and we'll show them.
Just stay over here and I'll walk around the back and yeah, I forgot to do that. I was looking right at it too. See, it's because I haven't filmed for a while.
I don't really have a choice.
I've lost my touch.
I can't really move very easily, so.
Yeah, this is neat. The Speedo. Yeah. Hey, Blake Dog. Okay, I'm gonna give this back to Luke. I gotta shut the door. It was hard with one hand. And the dog in my way.
I think you got it. It looks shut. Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh, no, maybe not. Hold on to the handle when you do it. Here you go. And did you give him a shot from out here of the Speedo from the outside of the windshield?
I will now.
Fuzzy dice. Even the chrome mirror was probably an option. There's no option other than the roof that this car didn't come with. I know that. And that's not rust right there by the master cylinder gang. It's just a little bit of peeled paint. Somebody spilled some fluid at some point. That's the power steering reservoir. It's definitely been switched over to 12 volt. And there's a 12 volt fan down in there. See, but this is when you don't want to rush it. You just take your time. There's a good look at the engine bay. I do like the rocker covers. That Ford V8 script is pretty awesome. Come check the oil here, Bobo. Let's see how it looks.
Sorry. Got a message from Camp Keeper.
Oh. Shout out to Camp Kiefer.
Love that little
and
dude.
our buddy Luke. Yeah, man, Luke's the man.
Is there a rag?
There should be somewhere here.
I don't want my truck.
Well, just
Yeah, I'll
just pull it out.
just pull it out. Make sure.
Watch yourself. Yep. Let's just have a look. Oh yeah,
Not bad.
it's been sitting. We'll
Yeah.
change it before we
We'll
try and
change it.
start this, old girl. There's your breather right there. Hold the thing closer to the. Yep.
Wagon.
See, there's always a positive to some things, gang. Me being sick, it sucks. But now Bobo has had a chance to learn more. Yep, go ahead. Pull her out. That's the trans fluid.
Yep.
Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, that looks clean.
Yeah, that's good.
Good.
And like I said, it's an air-cooled trans. I can't wait to give him a closer look at that. And we will, gang. I love the Ford V8 rocker covers. I don't know, they don't seem to leak, I guess, by the looks of it, but they only have 2 bolts. Mortsky, you speak up in the comments, Tom. Let me know about these rocker covers. Someone's painted the engine. They got some ballast resistor. It's been switched to 12 volt. This car would have been 6 volt positive ground, I think, in 1955, Bobo. And I can see a whole bunch
I'd have to Google that.
Well, yeah, there's been a whole bunch of wiring and loom done. It's also got air conditioning, gang.
That was the other thing I was trying to think what came with. Yeah.
There it is, the AC pump. So this thing has got air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power brakes, power seats, Continental kit, the bumper guards, the trim kit, a whole bunch of stuff. So
sick car.
It is absolutely stunning.
Wash it, polish it.
Yep.
Work on the chrome.
Come springtime.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be great. So we wanted to give you a look at this because we had intended to do it previously, but due to me.
Yeah, after we got home from Nick's, we were talking about doing it then, but yeah.
So it's safe and dry right now. Yeah, there appears to be some rodents in here, but Bobo's pre-checked the inside before we even started filming. There's no damage to anything, and we've put down some soap shavings and other things to keep the rodents at bay. So, and Bobo's going to keep an eye on the car over the next couple months here until hopefully I'm well enough to get it revived. But stay tuned, because this car, once it's revived and all fixed up, it will be offered for sale. And let me tell you, I doubt you'll find one as clean. I mean, it's not polished yet, but this car is pretty sweet. Alright, gang. Well, for Big Easy and
Silent Bobo.
Silent Bobo, thanks for watching, crew.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
That's right. We'll see you on the next one. And remember, gang,
hashtag
community, not competition. And as Bobo says, hashtag CNC.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, guys. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.